Alright guys, now affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme, okay, but there are methods and strategies that guarantee fast results, and this is what I'm going to be looking at in today's video. Knowing that a quick result guarantees momentum, and this is very good for your progress in whatever thing that you are doing. But before I get into this, don't forget to download my recent book. It's an ebook, the 7 things that you should know before starting an online business to avoid frustration. The link is going to be below this video. All right, and then check out my free crash course also to learn exactly what I've been doing to make no less than $2,000 every month with affiliate marketing online business. The link also is going to be below this video. And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead right now and subscribe to my channel so that you get videos, you get to know about my videos each time I upload. All right, now let's jump in straight to the video of the day. Now in this video we're talking about a website, all right, that has tons of traffic and about 300 million traffic visits per month. All right, so it's a massive traffic, and I'm going to show you how to leverage this traffic and watch yourself make affiliate commission. So this entire video is about how to promote Clickbank products without a website and with free traffic. The traffic I'm about to show you is completely free. All right, now if you're seeing me for the very first time, you're coming across my video for the very first time, my name is Maz White, and what I do here is upload videos consistently having to do with affiliate marketing. So you can check out my channel here. All right, I've got loads of videos here that are going to show you how to scale your business online and watch yourself build real business on the internet. All right, so the first step to this particular strategy is to go to Clickbank. All right, go to Clickbank Marketplace. Now if you don't have a Clickbank account, it's very easy for you to create a Clickbank account, especially if you live in a country that Clickbank accepts. All right, so there are several countries that Clickbank that are banned from Clickbank. All right, but there are ways around it. All right, but first of all, if you're in a country that Clickbank accept, you can go ahead and click and create your Clickbank account. All right, and having created your Clickbank account, before even you come to creating a Clickbank account, you must have make sure you've defined your niche, what you really want to go into. All right, and there are several niche out there. There is make money online niche, there is the weight loss niche, there is the health and fitness niche, the relationship niche, all right, spirituality and all that. For example, if you come here, you're gonna see these are all niches. All right, health and fitness, gardening, green product, fiction, e-business and e-marketing, loads of niches here. So make sure before you come to Clickbank, make sure you've actually sorted everything about your niche out, and your niche simply represent or is about your market, your audience, the audience you want to appeal to, or the market that you want to get into. And as a beginner, you can't actually go into all the markets out there. You must be able to pin something down and a niche down and work on that niche until you're successful with that niche before trying another niche. All right, so I'm going to show you, this is Clickbank Marketplace. Okay, I'm going to show you how to pick a product here, a Clickbank product here, and promote it with free traffic, without a website and with free traffic, completely free. All right, so this is another tutorial on Clickbank free traffic and no website. So on getting here on Clickbank Marketplace, there are loads of market here. There's Ezipor. This Ezipor has to do, this particular product is a physical product. All right, it has to do with weight loss. All right, and then T-Bone, a lot of product out here, and these products well, what you actually do is come here and pick a product that resonates, that goes with your niche. All right, so in this case we are looking at a weight loss niche. All right, and we're trying to promote this particular Icaria juice. I don't know if I got the pronunciation very well, but I call it Icaria juice. All right, so for you to promote this particular juice without website and without traffic All right, the first thing you do when you come to Clickbank Marketplace and you're trying to promote a product that has to do with your niche is to find out actually how much you stand to earn when you promote that product. All right, so in this case, if you promote this product and have somebody click on your affiliate link and go buy, you're making about $144. All right, almost $150. And another thing you need to look at is gravity score. How much is this product converting? All right, and for this particular one, you can see that the gravity score is quite high, 253. That means affiliates are making money from this particular offer. All right, and it's simply a dietary supplement. Okay, and then I don't know if it came with recurring. All right, it didn't come with recurring. Okay, so it said new for 2022 white hot weight loss offer is crushing it. Get started now, go here. All right, so what you do here is to copy. First of all, you can look at the affiliate page. This is the affiliate page. Now with this affiliate page, it tells you it is simply the tool to promote this particular offer. Okay, these are the tools. This is the affiliate page which an affiliate is going to use to promote this particular offer. All right, so this is the affiliate page. All right, go through the affiliate page. You need to download, if you need to download email swipes, all right, and email creativity images and all that, you can do it from here. All right, and this is what the products look like. All right, so this is the affiliate page. Now the next thing you got to do is to promote this particular offer, and in order to promote this particular offer, you don't need to contact the owner of this product. All right, you simply click on promote. Okay, enter your nickname. Let me enter my nickname as White. All right, enter your nickname. Tracking ID, let me say tracking ID Icaria. All right, Icaria. Let me say Icaria juice. Okay, and then I get my hop link. All right, you simply click create your hop link, and you're going to have your hop. Now this is your hop link, which is simply your affiliate link. So we go ahead and copy our affiliate link, copy your affiliate link and go paste it somewhere on your notepad. This is where I paste it. All right, and then you go back again. All right, so just make sure you stay with me till the end of this video. Make sure you stay with me till the end of this video. Now I'm going to show you the website where you can go and promote this particular offer. All right, now sorry, I forgot to mention that every time you get your affiliate link, all right, make sure you go to bit.ly and shorten your affiliate link. All right, for example, here if I place our affiliate link here, I'm going to have to shorten it. So this is what our affiliate link look like, so that it looks neat and it doesn't look spammy. So when I go to my notes, you're going to see this is the affiliate link here. It's very, very clean. So I'm still going to show you how to use this affiliate link. All right, so the next step is to go to this particular website called AdPost. Now AdPost is a huge website that enjoys about 300 million web page visits per month, and it got traffic in what you call three-tier countries like the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia. So you have opportunity to advertise your products in these countries. All right, and before that, I'm going to show you what people are actually, like you can see here. If you look at here now, you're going to see over 30 million views a month, thousands of replies daily. All right, so for example, if you go to United States, okay, first of all, what you do here is to create your account. All right, you make sure you create your account, and in the process of creating your account, they're going to send a link to your email, and you have to go to your email and confirm this link. So I've created my account here, and it wasn't anything difficult. It was very, very easy. But let's see what is happening on this website. So Let's see traffic, what people are doing in the United States. The amazing thing about this website is that anybody can advertise there. You can be in your country and advertise in the United States, Australia, UK, everywhere. That is the amazing thing about this particular traffic. So let's look at this is what it looks like. All right, I haven't logged in yet. Now if I go here, I want to see what people are doing with the health and beauty. All right, let's see what people are doing with health and beauty. So in health and beauty, you still have sub niches. Let's look at what people are doing with weight loss. Okay, because we are trying to promote a weight loss offer here. So what are people doing with weight loss on this website? I want to show you an example of something that we're going to do. All right, so this website is a huge one with massive traffic. Please, whatever that I'm showing you here is something I have tried, and you can go and also try. For example, if you look at here, these are Clickbank offers. Somebody has an ad here. Now the thing here is that when you come here and create an ad, all right, there is the free version, and there's also the paid, the premium plan of it. Now with the free plan, you're not going to add any picture. They're not going to allow you to add pictures. All right, but with a paid plan, which is very, very cheap, like I think about $9 or something, you can actually place the image of whatever thing that you are promoting. So for example, now if you look at here, this guy is simply promoting a weight loss offer. All right, let me show you one here. I think I saw something like offer, okay, like this one. Now this one said buy as a pop-up supplement. All right, so if I click on this link right now, it's going to take me to this guy's page, and if somebody go and click and then buy from him, he makes his money. All right, so each time you post an ad on this platform, that ad is going to run for 30 days. All right, and then you can post as much ad as you want to post. All right, so but if you want to enjoy it some more, then you have to pay I think very minimal amount of like $9 to add a few things. So I'm going to show you how to create ad on this platform. So the what you do here is you're simply going to have to log in. All right, so let's say post ad. I'm going to show you how to post ad. So it's telling me to log in. I'm going to log in, okay, and show you how to post ad here. Okay, I have an ad here. All right, okay, says incorrect password, sorry. See, okay. All right, now if this is my own ad here. Now this is the ad I've placed here. If I click on it, you're going to see what my ad look like. All right, this is my ad, and if somebody clicks here, the person is going to go to my page, and each time he buys from me, I make my affiliate commission. All right, so put what I'm showing you here to work, and I tell you, you're going to enjoy it. So now to post ad here, you simply click on post ad. All right, post ad. And when it comes to posting ad, there are about 3 types of plans here. Okay, there is full post, there is quick post, there is multi post. So with multi post, you can post a lot of ads at the same time. With a quick one, you can do simply a very smart ad like the one I did there, and then this one is a full post. All right, this one is takes a lot of stuffs. You can add pictures, add anything, and then make payment. So let's go for this quick post. Let me show you how to make quick post. So when you click on make on quick post, it's going to show you, say quick post, show you minimal field for posting a single ad. So what we're going to do here is to click on weight loss, because we are trying to promote an offer on weight loss. All right, and then caption header, you click on services. Okay, let's click on services. All right, and then caption. Now before getting here, make sure you've created your headline from the product you're trying to promote. All right, for example, I created my headline or my sales copy. We call it sales copy from the body of the sale, from the body of the product sales copy itself. All right. So for example, if I show you now, this is what I actually did. Let me show you how to create a sales copy from the main sales copy itself. Let me show you how to create. It said top scientists finally revealed the true reason why you are struggling to lose weight. So if you look at my notepad, I wrote top scientists. This is my heading. This is my headline. Top scientists reveal the reason why you are struggling with weight loss. All right, and then you're going to go ahead to create the body of the main the body of your copy from here. All right, you create the body of your copy from here. For example, if you look at my own, it says top scientists reveal the reason why you are struggling to lose weight, and it has been far less to do with what you eat and how much you exercise. A recent discovery with the University of Alberta and all that. All right, and this is the affiliate link to the product that we are promoting. So we're going to go back to the website again. All right, so go to my notepad and copy my heading. Okay, you copy your heading, come here and place your heading. All right, this is our heading. I think our heading is too long. Scientists reveal the reason why you are struggling to lose weight. Let's go ahead and see what it comes. Then your description, you go here, copy your description. Now if the heading is too long, you can go on and shorten your heading. I think it's saying that my heading is too long. All right, so you paste your heading, you paste your body here, and then you go down brand Ikeria. All right, Ikeria, okay. The model can also go on and write Ikeria juice. Okay, Ikeria juice. Then price, get the price and put in the price. All right, it's so easy to do. Get the price of the product. Let me say $37. Okay, and that is the best offer. Okay, you still go down. Then getting here is this is a quick ad. So we're not doing it. It's a quick ad. So filling up the space and placing your sales copy is quite very short. So on preview, you can go ahead and check what you're trying to post. All right, on preview. Now this is our preview. It says top scientists reveal the reason why you are struggling to lose weight. All right, so our heading is too long. So what you do is that you work on your heading and reduce your weight heading a little. Okay, now this is our ad here. All right, Ikeria juice, $37 best offer, and then my name is there, your name is there. Okay, and this is, so each time somebody goes, okay, let me post, you can post your ad from here, or you can go back and review your ad. All right, so it's so simple. So let me show you the one that I've my ad. Now this is my ad. All right, it's very, very simple to actually do this. This is my ad. So each time somebody can come here and message me, say view details address. Okay, and the idea here is that after going through your ad, you're going to be messaged. So somebody can come here and message you, and you're going to reply. So you click on here, customers will go here, click on your ad and message you. All right, this is where you get message for the offer that you're promoting, and you can go ahead here and take your affiliate link. All right, reply, take your affiliate link, copy your affiliate link, come here, message the person. All right, message the person, drop your affiliate link here and send to the client. All right, very, very easy to run this ad. All right, so this is another way to promote Clickbank product without a website. If you don't have a website and you don't have money to run paid ad or to get paid traffic, you can go ahead and use this one to promote your affiliate offer. All right, so if you got value from this video, leave me a like, all right, and leave a comment and ask me questions if you got questions, and let's move this ahead. So thank you for being with me till the end of this video, and God bless you. All right, this is quite easy, very, very easy to do. So you go ahead and try it. I tell you, affiliate marketing is about trying different traffic. There are strategies out there, thousands of strategies out there that you can leverage. If this one is not working, this one would work. All right, so thank you for being there, and God bless you.